AI-powered robotics is driving a revolution across industries, reshaping our future and transforming the way we work. In sectors such as manufacturing and healthcare, the collaboration between humans and machines has reached new heights, thanks to the emergence of collaborative robots. These intelligent robots possess the ability to make informed decisions, navigate complex environments, and perform a wide range of tasks, revolutionizing logistics, agriculture, and even space exploration. One of the key strengths of AI-powered robotics lies in their capacity to continuously learn and adapt. Through the power of machine learning, robots can gather data from their surroundings, analyze it, and optimize their actions for enhanced efficiency and productivity. This ability to learn from experience enables robots to become more proficient over time, leading to improved performance and increased precision in their operations. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are streamlining production processes, optimizing workflows, and enhancing quality control. These robots are capable of performing intricate tasks with precision and speed, reducing errors, and improving overall productivity. They can work alongside human operators, complementing their skills and augmenting their capabilities, resulting in enhanced collaboration and efficiency. In healthcare, AI-powered robots are playing a crucial role in patient care, assisting medical professionals in various ways. They can perform delicate surgeries with unparalleled precision, ensuring greater safety and accuracy. Robots can also handle repetitive tasks, allowing healthcare workers to focus on more complex and critical aspects of patient care. Moreover, AI-powered robots enable remote monitoring and telemedicine, extending access to healthcare services and improving patient outcomes. The advancements in AI-powered robotics are opening up a world of possibilities and creating new opportunities for innovation across diverse sectors. From autonomous vehicles and delivery drones to robotic companions and space exploration missions, the potential applications of AI-powered robotics are vast and ever expanding. Join us as we delve deeper into the exciting field of AI-powered robotics and explore the latest advancements and applications. Stay tuned for more insightful content that will uncover the boundless potential of this transformative technology. Don't miss out on the valuable AI insights that can shape the future of industries and pave the way for a more efficient and interconnected world. Thank you for watching.